Hey guys, and welcome back to Learn How to Dance, where you can find step-by-step tutorial of the most popular dances, TikTok dances, Fortnite dances, and other awesome dances. So, today we're gonna do a highly requested Fortnite dance tutorial, and that is how to do the side hustle. This is actually a b-boying or top rock move that is called the Indian step or the hip twist. And as always, thank you guys so much for all the requests, and thank you, Christopher, for being the first one to request it. Okay, so this side hustle dance is fairly simple if you just break it down. So what I'm gonna do is start with some simple exercises, and then we're gonna gradually build on the complexity. So even if you're just a beginner, you will be able to do this. You just need some patience and put in some work. You got this. Hey guys, I just want to remind you that you can change your YouTube speed settings down below if you think I'm going too fast or too slow. Alright, so the first exercise we're gonna do is a jump on our left, kicking your right leg to the front. Let me just show you from the side. So you wanna do a kick. Yeah, notice I also do a small prep here. I'm bending slightly my knee, my left knee here, and then I take back my right, and then I go kick. Yeah, jump and kick. So let me just show you from the side again. We're gonna go prep, jump. Now you don't need to exaggerate, right? Just do a subtle one, yeah? Save your energy. So, let's just try it again. We're gonna say 5, 6, I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna go prep, jump. 5, 6, 7, 8, prep, jump. 5, 6, 7, 8, prep, jump. Alright, so far so good, right? Now we've built up some confidence. So, after kick, you wanna say switch. So now you're jumping on your right, kicking your left to the back. Yeah, let me just show you again. I went from here, kicking my right out here to the front. Now I'm switching and taking my left back. Let me just show you to the side as well. So I'm doing switch back. Let's just try that from here. The right is out. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go switch. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Switch back. All right. So let's just move on to the next move. So we just did right is out to the front, switching, kicking your left back. Now we want to switch again, jumping on the other leg, but this time we're kicking the right back. So let me just rewind a bit. The right is in the front. Now I'm kicking my left back and then my right back, just as if you're running. So you're doing run, run. Let's just try that. Your right leg is out here to the front. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go left, right. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. We go run, run. One last time. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go run, run. All right. Now what you want to do is say from the tip to the top. We go prep, kick the right to the front, switch kick left back, switch kick right back. So let me just show you. It's gonna look like this. And right, left, right. And I'm just gonna show you to the side as well. We're gonna do and our right front, left back, right back. So again, 5, 6, 7, 8, prep, right, left, right. 5, 6, 7, 8, we go. Prep, right, left, right. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, we go. Prep, right, left, right. All right, now we wanna make it a bit more complex, so we're just gonna turn slightly while we're doing this. So, let me just show you. We're gonna say, prep, kick to the front. Now when we switch and kick the left back, we're gonna just turn slightly, then turn slightly. Don't have to exaggerate, right? Just turn slightly so you end up somewhere here in the right corner, right? So let's just try that. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go prep, right, left, right. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Prep, right, left, right. And 5, 6, 7, 8, prep, right, left, right. And that was basically half of the dance. Congratulations. All right, so let's do the transition from this side to the other side. We just did it to one side. Now we want to move to the other side. But let's just start with a simple exercise here in the middle, just like we did. Wah, wah, wah. Now we want to do it to the opposite side. So we ended here with the right to the back. What we want to do is say switch and jump, kick your left to the back. So basically just another run, yeah? So run. Alright? So from here, you want to jump on the same leg, jumping on your right, kicking your left to the front. Sorry, so like that. Let me just rewind a bit. So this was the end of the first part. Now we want to say jump, switch, and then jump, same leg, kick to the front. Alright, let's just try that. The right is to the back. What we want to practice is say, switch back and jump front. 5, 6, 7, 8, switch back, jump front. And remember, it's the same leg that we're doing jumping on the second jump. Yeah, so this is the first jump, this is the second jump on the same leg. Alright, let's try that. We're gonna count to 8 and we're gonna practice from here. 5, 6, 7, 8, we go switch and front. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8, we go switch and front. One last time. 5, 6, 7, 8, we go switch and front. Alright, so now that we've practiced saying switch and to the front, now we want to jump, switch, and then kick your right to the front instead of the left. Yeah, pretty simple. You just went from here, the left is to the front, now the right is in the front. Yeah, so let's just practice with that addition. So what we did was we have the right in the back. Now we want to say switch left in the back, kick left to the front, and now we want to say switch, boom. Yeah, that was the new part. So let's just try that. I'm just going to show you again. The right is in the back. We want to say switch right in the back, kick same leg left in the front, and then switch right in the front. So I'm going to count to 8, and then we're going to practice from here where we say boom, boom, boom. Just a bit slower. So 5, 6, 7, 8, we go switch left back, left front, right front. Let's just try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8, we go left back, left front, right front. Alright, one last time. 5, 6, 7, 8, we go left back, left to the front, right to the front. Okay, so we just did right is in the back, now we're saying left in the back, left to the front, right to the front. Now from here, the very last move is just switching and saying left in the back. Rewind a bit here, right in the front, now left is in the back. Alright, so let's just add that as well. So we're gonna practice, the right is up here, we say left back, left front, left back. So the pattern is left back, left front, left back. So it's back, front, back. It's back, front, back. Now remember, there is this, here you switch, but then you jump on the same leg. Yeah, this might confuse you. And then you switch and you switch. So what I mean is this: switch leg, same leg, switch leg, switch leg. Remember that order. It's from here, the right is in the back. You want to say switch leg, same leg, switch leg, switch leg. Alright, let's just practice that a few times. I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna start from here where the right is in the back, and then we're gonna say left back, left front, left back. 5, 6, 7, 8, we go left back, left front, left back. Just try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8, we go left back, left front, left back. One last time. 5, 6, 7, 8, we go left back, left front, left back. Now, do yourself a favor and practice this until you can do it semi-fast so that you can do boom, 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 boom. Alright, what you want to do now is just practice going from this right corner where you ended the first part, and then practice this new part turning to your left corner. So let me just explain here. You have your right leg up, yeah, like we've practiced before. Now we want to do, say, jump left back, same leg left to the front. Yeah, now I'm here in the front. Now we want to say switch left, right in the front, and then left back. Yeah, so you see how I went from here, boom, 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 here. So I'm turning from my right corner to my left corner. Let's just try and practice that. So the right is up here and back, 5, 6, 7, 8. We go left back, left front, left back. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go left back, left front, left back. One last time. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go left back, left front, left back. Okay, now we want to practice the transition, so we're going to combine the first part and then the second part to the other side. Yeah, so what I mean is we want to combine this part with this part. Okay, so let me just quickly do a recap in case you forgot the first part. You want to say prep, jump kick right, and then switch left back, and then right back, and then you want to say left back, left front, same leg, and then switch right back, left back. So I'm gonna count 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna practice saying boom, 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 and a boom, 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 boom. So 5, 6, 7, 8, we go. And right, left back, right back. Now left back, same leg flip to the front, right front, left back. Okay, let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go and right, left back, left back, left front, left back. Right, and remember the turning. One last time. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go right front, left back, left front, left back. If you need to practice a few times more, then go ahead and then we can continue afterwards. If you're ready, then what we can add now is the details. So instead of just saying here, the upper body is just moving with the feet. What we want to do is say, keep looking here to the front. Yeah, keep your upper body to the front. So we're doing this kind of twist here. Yeah, so my legs, my lower body is moving, turning here to the right, but my upper body is still facing here to the front. So what I mean is when I do it, I go wah, wah, wah. Yeah, see how I'm twisting my body here? Whoop. So again, wah, wah, wah. Instead of saying wah, 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 I'm going wah, wah, wah. Yeah, and I want to do the same to the opposite side. So I'm going wah, wah, wah. I'm going wah, 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 wah. Keep looking to the front. Alright, so let's just practice that. I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna go wah, wah. Keep your to the front. 5, 6, 7, 8. You go here, switch, keep looking to the front. Boom, 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 boom. So when you practice that a few times, then it should be looking like this. Whoop, 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 and whoop, 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 and whoop, whoop, whoop. Yeah? So you're always twisting your body. Now, I would say this is the easy version of it because the Fortnite version is planting it on the ground. Yeah, so I'm not having my foot here up, it's down here. Yeah, the reason why I practice the other one is it's more easy because then you are aware where the weight should be distributed, because here almost all of your weight should be on this leg, even though it looks like I also have something on this leg. So it's fine if you just do this move, but you can also plant it on the ground. So let me just quickly show you. You want to say here, left back, and then right down instead of up. So boom, boom, down. But the weight is still on this leg. Yeah, as if it's up. Alright, and then you want to do it to the opposite side. So you want to say left back, left front, right front. Now the left is going down. But all of my weight is still on this leg, so I can easily do this. Yeah? So when you do it fast, it's gonna look like this. Wah, 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 wah. Okay, so let's just practice that a bit slower, this version. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go right front, left back, right down. Yeah, continue. You want to say left back, left front, left down. Alright? So when you do it fast, it's wah, 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 and Come on. Alright guys, now you just need to practice it over and over again until you can do it fast. As I always say, if you can do it slow, you can do it fast. So, that's it for this dance tutorial of how to do the side hustle dance from the game Fortnite. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.